and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description. It's the king of noodles. It's the king of noodles. It's the king of noodles.
All right, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And I got one today that came out of a Nakama Noodles box. You can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is something interesting. So, this is an Acecook Kojiya. Is it Miso? I don't remember, but it has something called sake leaves. So I guess in the process of making sake, which is rice wine, there's a byproduct of that, and they're called sake leaves, L-E-E-S, sake leaves, and it's kind of like a, I don't know, I guess since you're using rice, you ferment it and you make a wine out of it. It looked like, from what I saw, that's like what's left over. Kind of like, what is it? Marmite is the leftovers from making beer. Did you know that? I learned that from a famous friend of mine. So that's pretty cool, I think. It's November 18th, 2024. That's insane. How can we live with ourselves as a people and allow time to go by this fast? That's what I want to know. But not for me to say, well, I just said it, so I don't know. 3 minutes. But yeah, went out, did my walking, got rained on, standard deal. We're supposed to have, tomorrow we've got what you call a bomb cyclone off the coast of Washington. We're pretty far inland, but we're going to get some really gusty stuff, I guess, sustained 20 to 30 or 30, 40 mile per hour. And gusts to 65. I don't know if we'll actually get that. I'm sure the people on the coast will, but I wish we'd get that. That'd be fun. Power might go out. I'd love the power to go out. I run a Facebook group called Kenmore Power Outages, actually, because we used to have power outages constantly. There was a transmission line that went through here. I think it was called Circuit 25. And what would happen is we'd have a big windstorm or a tree would fall. Just up that way. Right? No. I go out the door. Anyways, over by Swamp Creek Park. Anyways, through there were some ancient power lines, and trees would fall down with like a little bit of wind sometimes, and like we had that happen on a sunny summer day. All of a sudden we had a power outage, and it lasted like 8 hours. It was great. I brought out my shortwave radio, because when you have a big power outage and you have a shortwave radio, you're stoked because you can actually pick up stuff because nothing's going to interfere with it. I didn't get any of my things down, and I need to get my things down, folks. Crap-a-doshio. Where's the white one? So I got a pho, which I'm not really looking forward to. It was a free pho. And I've got this little cup, which is almost done. Oh man. Well, let's see what we got. I've got one that I really need a white bowl for. I'll use this and this. And yeah, I guess I'll use that. $4.50 might fit. Okay. So we're gonna go that route, I think, today. And yes, I'm doing 3 reviews. That used to be what I always did, was 3. But that's a lot, and I don't know. It's a lot. It's a whole lot. The noodle's pretty thick in this one. Yeah. I'm sure you guys are getting sick of hearing me say the Meow Box Japan thing at the beginning, but they send me these boxes for free, so that's why I do it, you know. And honestly, I will tell you, I think as far as subscription boxes from Japan that I get for free, they're pretty rad. Every month I get a new box. And I really like their picks, and I like the fact that they send me, what do you call them? Varieties that are in packs. I've said that many times. Oh my god, it's a pack version. It's a pack. This has to be miso. This reeks of miso. But yeah, I gotta say, I'm kind of looking forward to a windstorm. I'll go out walking tomorrow morning, most likely. But the windstorm isn't supposed to show up until 2 p.m. tomorrow. And then the weather warning goes until 4 p.m. the day after. There's some broth. Okay. I will say, if you didn't tell me, I wouldn't have realized that's what it was. But knowing it's got those sake leaves things in there, I totally get it. I get the whole sake leaves thing. It definitely has that kind of, I don't know, it's like kind of like slightly fruity. It's weird. It's not bad. Interesting. Compelling. Noodle's all right. But yeah, this is a very fascinating bowl of noodles, I will say that. Let's get it on. All right. So we're going to start with, I'm going to throw in some egg. Because who doesn't like a little egg in their ramen noodles? And who doesn't love it if you're an aficionado of ramen to hear somebody call it ramen? I absolutely love that. Generally, that's something you hear from people who really aren't. They might like ramen, but they just don't know much of. Whoa, come on, come on, come on. They don't know of the pitfalls of a slippery egg. Ah, you jerk. You get back over there and do what you're supposed to do. That's trippy. It's not like, wow, that tastes like I'm drinking something, or, you know, I'm eating something with a lot of booze in it. It doesn't have that. But it definitely has that kind of funkily carried extra something something. I don't know. You should get some and try it. That's makes the most sense for me to try to enumerate to you. Or explain. A little bit of seed. I know it's crooked, but you'll be able to see from the top in a moment. Don't worry about it. I need to get more onion too. yeah, so far it is Monday, but so far the week's interesting. It's, yeah. And since I've got so much of this stuff, and it's kind of fun to add it in, if I'm doing ramen, I am going to be adding a little bit of chili crisp of one kind or another. I'm going to use, that's the hot honey. That definitely is not correct. I'm going to use this S&B crunchy umami topping, the garlicky stuff. This one. Can you see that? Yeah, this. Not too hard to find. You can definitely get it on Amazon. Oh, and I've been adding, you can add product link things into YouTube videos now, and you get a kickback from it. Yummy. Oh God, yeah. But I don't know if I'm doing it right. Maybe. Or if you see them, then I guess I'm doing it right. So there you go. Ramen infused with sake byproduct. Cool. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is something I actually found in a free pantry downtown. I put a lot of stuff in there, so I don't feel bad about taking it out. I'll replace it with more than what I took out. Snapdragon beef pho, and I'm not really looking forward to this. I really don't like Snapdragon stuff all that much. But they keep making it, so somebody must. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.